Hi guys, welcome to Cartoon Network Escapes. Friends fans, buckle up and join us as we dive into the Friends experience at XL London. So no one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you broke, your love loves stay away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear. When it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too. What better way to start the tour than with the orange couch outside by the fountain, just like the opening credits. Let's get inside and see all the details they've recreated from the show. Here's the first of many famous lines from the show that you'll see throughout this tour. Okay, right as you walk in, they have these mannequins dressed as each character, along with Ross's ridiculous Holiday Armadillo costume. It's funny to think about Ross in this, trying to teach Ben about Christmas, or rather Hanukkah. There's also so much behind the scenes stuff here, plot drawings, clips of the makers talking about the show, original scripts. It's really cool to see how much thought and detail went into every episode. Here's Ross's infamous 18-page letter.
Front and back!
This is iconic.
London, baby!
Okay, 'cause that's not gonna get annoying.
London, baby! London, baby!
I'm gonna have to go into the map. Okay, if you see a little version of me in there, kill it. I got it. There we go.
And of course, they've recreated the London scenes too with props like Joey's camcorder and even Rachel's passport. It really brings back all those episodes. And yes, London baby! I'm actually in London and saying that now, which makes it even better. And here's where Ross and Emily got married. Can you imagine that whole I, Ross, take the Rachel disaster happening right here? Now we're in Joey and Chandler's apartment. The details are unreal. The recliners. They didn't forget the pie on the floor. Look at the stuff in the fridge. There's a book in there. Who keeps books in the freezer? Only Joey, obviously. And Huggsy. They made this giant version of Joey's penguin and it's adorable. I kind of want to take it home with me. Okay, this is hilarious. They made a relationship map for the entire show. Honestly, looking at it like this, I'm realizing Friends had a lot of drama. Alright, here's Monica's apartment. Look at this, the purple door with a picture frame, the kitchen. It has so much detail. And even Joey's sandwich and Rachel's fruit trifle in the fridge. Put binoculars by the window. I can just imagine Monica spying on ugly naked guy across the street. And Friends is playing on the TV in the background. It's like being in an actual episode. You can practically imagine them all hanging out right here. This section has all these fun facts about Friends. And look at all the awards they won over the years. Just shows how much people love Friends. Did you know that Janice said, "Oh my God," over 1,000 times? We're in Central Perk. Yes, I'm pouring myself some fake coffee. I also tried to work out the cash register. Channeling my inner Phoebe for a little smelly cat.
Smelly cat, what are they feeding you? Smelly cat, it's not your fault.
Phoebe would be proud. We had to peek through the window like in that one episode where Ross thinks he's chased by Rachel and Phoebe, but they're actually sitting inside the coffee shop. The nostalgia is real here. Finally, not forgetting the pivot scene. I feel like I'm reenacting one of the funniest moments in Friends history. If Ross were here, I'd like to think he'd be proud of my efforts. At the end of the tour, you can scan a QR code to access the photos they took of you. You can check them out and buy any you want to keep as souvenirs. And of course, there's a gift shop with everything you could think of. Mugs, shirts, Central Perk merch, they have it all. This was such an incredible experience. If you're a Friends fan, this is a total dream come true. Thank you for tagging along with us today. This experience made us feel like part of the gang. That's the end of it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more travel videos. Catch you all later. And remember, we'll be there for you. Bye!